Hey, what's up, guys? Brian Savage here with you. And today I have a package that showed up that I've been waiting on for a while. This is from Demolition Ranch, a channel that I've really enjoyed watching for quite some time. Maybe a lot of you are familiar with it. And they ran a special the other day for hats. It was weird. I ordered it, and the day I ordered it, and I don't want to tell you the exact day, so let's just say it was, because I'll mess it up if I do. Let's say it was Friday. I can't remember. The day he released the video saying that the hats were on sale for $12.50 plus shipping. Now, I think the whole thing was under $20, and that's for a hat that I'm going to like. That's pretty good. Something though, they just changed their name of their company from Ranch Merch to Bunker Branding, and it has the Bunker Branding logo on it, but it still has the address name as Ranch Merch. Maybe that doesn't matter. Maybe they're not even aware of it. I'm sure none of them's going to watch this. If they do, I want to say to the Carricker family and the whole team, thank you for letting me into your life and entertaining me as Obi walks past. Right on cue, Obi. All right, so let's see here. I ordered it on the 19th. Is the day I ordered it from the slip here. Again, it's $12.50, and I don't remember what the shipping was exactly on it. It wasn't much. Like I said, it was under $20. And there's my hat, my Demolition Ranch hat. Well, I think Obi likes the box. Anyway, he'll probably have himself in it before it's over with. Sorry about the loud plastic noise there, guys. Trucker hat, net back, good summertime hat. I really wanted the gray and black one, and that one sold out like that. I'm going to have to go back and end up probably paying full price for one, because I want the gray and black. The camo's nice though. The gray and black's sweet. And under $20 for a hat, considering this is my number one hat I wear most of the time. This is my Paul Reed Smith, and it's kind of like a jersey, soccer jersey, netty material stuff. It's a very comfortable hat. Whoops. Yeah. So there it is, guys. Unboxing my Demo Ranch hat. And thanks. Peace out.